Chicken Tikka Masala. Ingredients. For the chicken: 1 1/4 pounds boneless skinless chicken breasts, thighs, or a mix. 6 tablespoons plain whole milk yogurt. ½ tablespoon grated ginger. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 1/4 teaspoons salt. For the tikka masala sauce: 2 tablespoons canola oil, divided. 1 small onion, thinly sliced, about 5 ounces, or 1½ cups sliced. 2 teaspoons grated ginger. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon ground coriander. 2 teaspoons paprika. 1 teaspoon garam masala. ½ teaspoon turmeric. ½ teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. 1 14-ounce can crushed fine roasted tomatoes. Regular crushed tomatoes work. 2. 6 tablespoons plain whole milk yogurt. 1/4 to ½ teaspoon cayenne pepper. ½ teaspoon salt. Cooked rice, to serve. Cilantro, to garnish. Prepare the chicken. Trim chicken thighs of any extra fat. Chop into bite-sized pieces about 1/2 to 1 inch wide. Place the chicken thigh pieces to a medium bowl. Add the yogurt, ginger, garlic, cumin, paprika and salt. Using your hands, combine the chicken with the spices until the chicken is evenly coated. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let the chicken marinate in the fridge for at least 45 minutes or as long as overnight. Marinating for 4 to 6 hours is perfect. In a large skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of canola oil over medium-high heat. Add the chicken thigh pieces and cook for about 6 to 7 minutes, until they're cooked through. Transfer to a plate and set aside. Wipe down the pan you used to cook the chicken. Heat remaining canola oil over medium heat. Add the onions and cook for 5 minutes, until softened, stirring often. Add the grated ginger, minced garlic, coriander, paprika, garam masala, turmeric, black pepper, salt, and cayenne. Let the spices cook until fragrant, about 30 seconds to a minute. Add the crushed tomatoes to the pan with the spices and let everything cook for 4 minutes, stirring often. Add the yogurt and stir to combine. Reduce the heat to medium-low and let the sauce simmer for another 4 minutes. Add the chicken pieces to the pan and coat with sauce. Serve over cooked basmati rice and garnish with cilantro.